everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another FabFitFun unboxing video. Fall is officially around the corner, the best time of the year, so I'm going to be unboxing this bad boy right here and seeing what kind of goodies we have inside. No, this video is not sponsored by FabFitFun. I have been a long-time member of FabFitFun, so all of the details of how you can become a member will be left in the description box below. So if you want to check it out, check it out. But again, not sponsored. I just truly love getting my FabFitFun boxes. I look forward to getting them every season, and I think that you guys will really like what they have inside. FabFitFun typically has items containing beauty products, lifestyle, household items, which has been a more recent addition, and I absolutely love that because I love decor. I love anything that I can use to design my place. So the fact that they have recently added home decor items has been great. Let's just unbox, shall we? Because I'm getting excited. I haven't even taken it out of the mail-in box yet. They always have such cute decorative boxes that they keep them in to fit the season. So that is always a really nice touch, aesthetic-wise. Okay. Alright. Oh, I see orange. Oh. So this couldn't fit in the box. We'll open that in just a minute, but let's see if there's anything else in there. Sometimes they put add-on items that you select inside the box, but oh, that item was too big. Just put that over there. Okay, so here is this season's box. Love it. Nice and fall related. And the fall aesthetic continues. They always tend to give you a coupon of some sort that you can get $15 off your next box if you recommend them to a friend. So they take referrals. This is different. So usually they have a little magazine that comes with it, and there's a celebrity on the front. So this is different because this is just a bunch of food. I like to use this as I go along because it has the items that are in my box and their prices, and also shows you what you could have gotten if you didn't select items, or if you did select items, you could see what else there was. So let's find that page. Okay, so usually in that magazine they give you a page that shows you all of the products that you could have gotten or you did get and the prices of them. They decided to switch it up this season because there's no page like that anymore. All the products are kind of scattered onto their own page, and half of them don't have the prices. So we're not going to do that. Let's just start because I'm really eager to get into this. Okay, some more coupons. They've been throwing some HelloFreshes in there, so that's good. And also a $60 credit for that wine subscription that you can do. If you have the annual subscription, which is what I have, which means that you pay one time a year, then you are able to customize your box and choose what you want each season between the items that they provide for you. If you have the other subscription where you pay 4 payments of $49.99 4 times a year, it's like right before the next season starts, then you can probably customize. I think they give you like 2 or 3 items that you can pick from, but the rest of it is a surprise. So I have the annual, so I pretty much know what I'm going to be getting, but then again, by the time you do it from when it actually gets delivered to you, you tend to forget. So I'm going to start with this one because I knew that I was getting this and I was really excited for it because it's absolutely perfect for fall, and also I needed a new throw blanket anyway for my bedroom. Okay, and that is this gorgeous throw from ARHAUS. And on any given day, your girl would not be shopping at ARHAUS because, as y'all know, they're a little pricey. So when I saw that FabFitFun had a product from ARHAUS, I was like, yes, I don't care what it is, yes. So let's open it up. It's a gorgeous sage green, and it has a nice waffle texture to it. It is also extremely soft, so I'm very happy with this. I thought that it was going to have some sort of frill or design at the edges, but the fact that it's just plain like this is perfectly fine too. Because now I have something that I can put on my bed for decor and also extra warmth. The next item is a hat. I really wish that I had those price tags because I also like to know what companies they're from if they're blank products like this. So this is a really nice hat. I am a huge hat wearer. I have so many hats, especially baseball caps. So this is by a company called Cocus Pocus. At least that's what the tag says. And I thought that that would be perfect for fall time. It is so soft, and who doesn't wear plaid or checkers in fall? Okay, so the next item is this little box right here. And I don't remember getting this. They do tend to throw some items in everyone's box that everyone gets. So some of my items are a surprise, but I'll know once I open it if I ordered it or not. This box, what they let you do is if you have gotten products in the past that you really liked, they gave you the chance to refill them. So I'm pretty sure I refilled this product right here. I absolutely love this. I use it every day. It is a brightening serum, and I actually use this each day with my moisturizer right before I put my makeup on. So I kind of used that and my moisturizer as a like primer, so to speak, but I really like this. I really love this product. So I did refill this, and when you refilled it, it comes with another product. If I'm not mistaken, there could be another product in there that I did that for, but this is a really great serum. I definitely recommend it. And this is just a comb set that I was able to get with it. So I will probably give these to Sean so he can use in his hair. Next product is by a company called Cloudnola, and I was actually really excited for this product because it's aesthetically pleasing, and also I needed a clock in my bedroom. So it is this tiny little marble block, but it's a clock. So the time comes up here. It also has an alarm. So I was planning on leaving this right in front of my bed where I'm able to see what time it is, because I think I hate more than anything in our bedroom right now that we don't have our nightstands and we don't have our clocks in there. So right now we have a table at the foot of our bed that has our TV on it, so I'm going to leave this right there so that I always know what time it is when I just look up. And the time will be right there. They do give us batteries. Thank you, FabFitFun. Thanks for giving me batteries for this. We'll check this out later. It gives you the time and the temperature. It has a calendar. It has 4 different settings of brightness. And you can either choose whether you want it to be 12 hours or 24. If you want to go by military time instead, you can do that as well. So, just tells you all that in the back of the box. I'm really excited for this. I wonder what this could be. Oh. This has a 21 plus on it, which means something. Huh. Try Heineken 0.0. 0% alcohol, 100% taste. So it's going to taste like beer, but it's not going to get you drunk. It's in such a little can, too. That's so cute. I mean, it's 10 o'clock in the morning, so I'm not going to try this now, but it says it has 0% alcohol in it. So let's try it. Yeah, it does taste like Heineken. And it smells like it, too. But why is Heineken making virgin beer? I don't get it. Okay. Don't want to be drinking this at 10 o'clock in the morning. So next item I just happened to grab is a, I guess it's a spray deodorant. Yes, a spray deodorant by Dove. And it's travel size, so that's pretty convenient once I'm able to travel again. That was just one of the items I just kind of tossed in there. So the next item is actually collagen. So, you know, they say that you should get started on that when you're in your late 20s, so that's kind of the idea I was going with it. I'm gonna open this. It doesn't really have a smell to it, which is kind of good. But you basically put it as, you basically treat it as a protein shake. So you put it in with your drinks, you put it in with your coffee, you could put it in with your water. It's supposed to give you hair, skin, and nail support. And it also has collagen in it. So I really liked that. I liked something that could help with the growth of my hair and my nails, not my skin, but something that could help with the growth of my hair and my nails and also strengthen my skin so that I can keep my collagen good and healthy. This product is by a company called the Two Bandits. I honestly don't remember what this is. Oh, yes, I was actually really excited about this. So, this is, wow, this is actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. But this is basically a set of trays with a felt bottom that you can put jewelry on, or, you know, any little knickknacks that you want to keep beside your bed or somewhere else. That actually looks really cool as a decor piece as well. But I needed something that I could keep all my jewelry that I wear every single day. I wanted to start not wearing it to bed, so I was gonna keep it on this little tray. And I like that it has different layers to it so that you can keep the pieces separate. So I'm happy that I got this, and it's really cool. Like I said, it could be used as just like a decor piece if you want to add some layers or a texture to your coffee table or whatever. But I'm going to be using it for the sole purpose that it is, and that is to hold my jewelry. Last item that is in the box before I show you guys the big item that I pulled out is this game. I'm a huge fan of playing games with my family and with my friends, so I'm happy that I have a new game to bring to game night. I do want to open it though, so that I can actually see what the game is. So the name of the game is called Food and Drink Trivia. Let's just pull out one. So it just has questions, and then people have to get the answers. So things like, for example, which state is the #1 dairy producer in the U.S.? It turns out it's California. Fun fact of the day. And they generate around 1/5 of all U.S. milk. The more you know. And finally, the bigger item that I had to take out because I couldn't fit it in the box is a lovely household item, and it is an 8-inch fry pan. I don't know what color I'm going to get, but it has a handle that stays cool, so the handle won't get hot. It also works for all cooktops. It's a non-stick, and get this, guys, you can put it in your dishwasher. I got a lovely navy blue one. Oh, this is so nice. Look at the bottom of that. Pow pow. This has a wonderful grip to it. It's very soft. Oh, I like this. It even has a little place you can put your thumb. That's just a delightful touch. So I am looking forward to using this, and may even cook my breakfast on this pan this morning. Who knows? Alright guys, well that concludes this season of FabFitFun. I hope that you guys liked this video. Again, if you're interested in any of the products or subscribing to FabFitFun yourself, the links will be left in the description box below, so you can check that out and become a subscriber yourself if you are interested. If you're not going to subscribe to FabFitFun, then at least subscribe to my channel, because that is free. And give it a big thumbs up and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay golden, people. Bye!